Hi guys! Welcome to Victoria Peak.
So guys, going to the Peak Tram or Victoria Peak.
Just go to your nearest MTR station and take Central. Make sure it's the red line, is Central, and then
Exit to J2.
exit J2.
Then we'll show you the direction.
We'll show you the way, guys.
When traveling on escalators, hold the handrail, stand firm and don't walk.
So guys, after the exit, turn right lang kayo. Makikita nyo yung tatlong building. So yan. Ito yung garden. Then follow nyo lang yung 3 buildings. Then magko-cross tayo. So guys, ito. Twice tayong magko-cross ng road. Ito yung first. And then yung second, yun. Yung papunta doon. Then mahaba yung lalakarin natin. Siguro mga 5 to 10 minutes walk.
Pataas.
Then another one here. Crossing the second road.
And guys, just another travel tip. When you go to Hong Kong, it's gonna be you're gonna do a lot of walking.
So bring your most comfortable shoes.
Yes, choose comfort over fashion.
So based sa experience namin, parang New Balance, no? Sabi mo? New Balance
Yung suit ko kasi nung pumunta dito is New Balance 574. Tapos Superstar
ngayon,
also.
Superstar Adidas yung ano niya. Mas bet daw niya ang New Balance. So
Well,
yun lang.
Yun lang naman. Kasi baka kayo, yung iba, mas ginugusto yung itsura, pero baka hindi nyo na ma-enjoy kasi nga
Dala na kayo ng extra.
ang daming lakad. Tsaka pataas pa itong papuntang.
Ay, itong going to the Peak Tram, uphill yung o diba? Kakahingal. So ayan,
Pataas.
ngayon, show namin sa inyo, dapat makita nyo yung Blackstone. Then, doon magkocross ulit tayo ng road pag nakita nyo na yung Blackstone. So guys, ito na yung Blackstone na sinasabi namin. So mag-cross ulit tayo towards the Blackstone. Hay, nakakahingal. Ayan, sa likod ng Blackstone, nandun na yung entrance room sa papuntang Victoria Peak. So guys, merong dalawang entrance dito. Isang ticket holder at saka isang bibili pa lang ng ticket. So make sure dun kayo sa sa tamang line. And kami pala bumili ng ticket namin sa Klook. Ito, lagay na lang namin dito yung description or yung thumbnail. Kasi tinan mo, mas mahaba yung pila ng bibili ng ticket. So make sure prepared na lang kayo. So ito guys, so far, time check is 10:30 AM. Ito yung pila pagsakay sa tram. Pero sabi nila mabilis lang din naman yung waiting time.
Right guys, make sure you're seated on the right side of the tram to get the best view of the peak. Kasi doon sa other side, mga buildings eh.
We'll show you later.
I'll show you later. Luckily, we are seated on the right side.
Another tip.
So guys, we have finally arrived here at the peak. Pero may mall pa muna before yung literally the Sky Terrace, so you can see the view from above. Inside the mall, meron ditong ano.
Yung museum ni
Yung
Madame.
wax museum.
Anong basa doon? Madame Tussauds.
Madame Tussauds. But we're not going there, ha? We're not going there. Yeah, we'll just show you around the area.
So guys, kung gusto nyo pumunta sa Madame Tussauds, ito yung admission fee. Admission ticket fee.
Careful. Okay, look Sky how high we are. Look at the buildings. Whoa, remember in Korea? We ride the cable car going up also. You remember?
I don't remember.
You don't remember na? Where we put the lock?
Akyat pa tayo guys.
Oh, mataas-taas pa
Kasi
to.
mga coffee shop din.
Oo nga. May restaurants. And I'm sure dito na rin kami magla-lunch.
Nasa 11 na. Time
Oo
check,
nga.
11
Another escalator.
So, sobrang taas niya.
Ilang escalator ba to? Taas sulok ko.
Apat na escalator siya guys.
Dapat na escalator.
Parang nakakalula kung meron kang fear of heights.
Oo, ano?
Grabe oh. On to the third escalator.
Merong stairs. Gusto nyo?
Ayoko. So guys, nakapila kami ngayon sa Sky Terrace 428. Siya yung pinaka peak nung
Rooftop ng building.
nung rooftop ng building.
Yun ay parang entrance sa terrace.
Ibang entrance kasi doon kasi merong yung normal lang na yung hindi masyadong mataas. So bumili kami nung sa pinaka mataas para maganda yung view tsaka yung picture, yung mga shots. Konti lang naman kasi yung difference eh. We're here guys.
Guys, we're already here at the peak and peak din yung init. Siguro dahil ka summer na, pero dahil also in its tanghaling tapat, ang init. Anyway, we just wanted to share you, may nakita kaming isang item, isang product sa Donkey, which is
Shirt Cool.
Yeah.
Ito.
Parang gusto namin i-try, Nakita lang namin kasi picture parang
refreshing daw siya.
lalamig daw.
O, lalamig. So, try natin.
So first time namin ito try, wait lang.
Ano? Spray daw to sa shirt.
Try natin. Sa loob ba?
Oo.
Sa loob?
Okay.
Tama na. Baka naman mamaya manigas na ako dito. Tingnan.
Ayan. Ito yung ano niya,
Ay.
Shirt Cool. Attach ko yung photo ng kasama yung pack niya.
Japanese. Oo nga, no? Oo nga, malamig.
Malamig, no?
Oh.
So, travel tip guys.
Ang lamig.
Summer kayo pupunta dito or yun.
Ang dami pa ini-spray.
Kasi summer pa lang eh.
Ang dami
Ayan.
para mas marami na dito ang lamig.
Bili kayo sa Don Donkey.
Para siyang ano?
Shirt Cool. Oh, smile, please smile. Okay, Okay, dalawa.
You pull slowly until it falls slowly. Or. Oh, cups. Well, choose other one. Strawberry.
Yes.
Cherry.
And strawberry.
Our Jollibee. It's a, I can say it's a worth it experience. No? Sulit naman. For the view. Mainit ka lang. Dahil siguro tanghali din kami pumunta. You're happy? Are you happy? And again guys, we suggest na buy your tickets in advance. Buy your ticket online. Kasi dun sa pagpaakyat, iba pa yung ticket mo, iba pa yung pila nung bibili ka pa lang ng ticket sa ticket holder. That's it guys! Thank you for watching!
May nabudol!
What? Jollibees! Jollibees!